All right, so good evening, everybody. And today we are going to work on models, the sentences formation of models. We are going to work on sentences formation of models. Hope everybody has watched my video.
Yes, sir.
And came to know about all the questions format. So here we are going to work on models. So in models, you can make all the types of the, yesterday we talked about the rules,
Yes,
which we talked about the rules yesterday, and today we are going to work on the sentences formation in models. Sentences formation in models. All right. So the first sentences formation is about sentences models. Models with verb. Models with verb we will see first. So it is very simple formation, like I group or he group. I group or he group. Now you know about I group and he group. I group is what? I, we, you, they, Ram and Sham, he, she, it and Ram. It is a he group. I group, and then models. Models is can. Okay. Could. Then may. Models. All models here you can use all models here. Okay. So here you can use plus all models. Can, could, then may, a might, okay, would, okay, should, okay, may, might, would, should, must, and can, could, may, might, would, should, must, and then verb first form, and then verb first form plus verb first form plus verb first form. That is the verb first form. Okay, so this is the one formation. I group, he group, plus can, could, may, might, would, should, must, and then verb first form. Okay, and in same second is I group, then plus dare to in simple present tense. Okay, in simple present tense, simple past tense. Okay, simple present tense also we can use simple present, then simple past, then simple future. Okay, so we discussed yesterday only. We can make simple present, simple past, and simple future also, like I group or he group. Then it he group plus dare to. Okay, so in I group I dare to, and in he group he dares to. Understand? In I group I dare to, and in he group he dares to. Okay, that is a simple present tense. Okay, I will write in detail so you will understand it. Otherwise, we'll have confusion. I dare to. Okay, I dared to. I dare to, and I will dare to. I will dare to. Plus verb first form. Plus verb first form. Okay, so this is, and he group plus dares to. Okay, plus dare to plus will dare to. That is the positive sentence. And how you know how to make the negative sentence also? Verb first form. Verb first form, and then object. You know that plus object. Object, it means preposition and noun. Okay, object. Verb first form. Okay, plus object. Got it? So in this way, this is a very important chapter. Like dares to, dare to, will dare to. Same will be with have to, has to, have to. Got it? Then had to, then will have to. Same with this, has to. In he group, it is has to. It is has has to, and then had to, and then will have to. Got it? So this is the models we are learning in detail in the class. But when you are attending the doubt session, we are only working on the formulas. All right. Just repeat after me. I can speak English.
I can speak.
Okay, Santosh will repeat after me. I can speak English.
I can speak English.
I could speak English.
I could speak English.
I may speak English.
I may speak English.
I might speak English.
I might speak English.
I would speak English.
I would speak English.
I should speak English.
I should speak English.
I must speak English.
I must speak English.
I dare to climb the hill.
I dare to climb the hill.
I dared to climb the hill.
I dared to climb the hill.
I will dare to climb the hill.
I will dare to climb the hill.
I have to climb the hill.
I have to climb the hill.
I had to climb the hill.
I had to climb the hill.
I will have to climb the hill.
I will have to climb the hill.
He dares to climb the hill.
He dares to climb the hill.
He dared to climb the hill.
He dared to climb the hill.
He will dare to climb the hill.
He will dare to climb the hill.
He has to climb the hill.
He has to climb the hill.
He had to climb the hill.
He had to climb the hill.
He will have to climb the hill.
He will have to climb the hill.
Do you want me to tell the Marathi meaning again, or is it okay to not to tell the Marathi meaning?
No, it is okay.
No need to tell the Marathi meaning. All right. So now you are making the sentences. Everybody is making the sentences. All right. Yeah. Ashwini, make the sentences. Sunil can cook food. Start.
Sunil can cook food. Sunil could cook food. Sunil may cook food. Sunil might cook food. Sunil would cook food. Sunil should cook food. Sunil must cook food. Sunil dare to.
Dare to why? Sunil is in he group, you know.
Yeah. Sorry. Sunil dares to
Cook food.
Cook food. Sunil dare to cook food. Sunil will dare to cook food. Sunil has to cook food. Sunil had to cook food. Sunil will have to cook food.
Very good. Good job. Sanket, make the sentences. I can say good thoughts.
I can say good thoughts. I could say.
Okay, we can say good thoughts. We can say good thoughts.
We can say good thoughts. We could say good thoughts. We may say good thoughts. We might say good thoughts. We would say good thoughts. We should say good thoughts. We must say good thoughts. We dare to say good thoughts. We dare to say good thoughts. We will dare to say good thoughts. We have to say good thoughts. We will have to say good thoughts.
Aishwarya, he can break the record.
He can break the record. He could break the record. He may break the record. He might break the record. He would break the record. He should break the record. He must break the record. He dares to break the record. He dare to break the record. He will dare to break the record. He has to break the record. He had to break the record. He will have to break the record.
Kajal, she can sing in the studio. She can sing in the studio.
She can sing in the studio. She would sing in the studio. She may sing in the studio. She might sing in the studio. She would sing in the studio. She should sing in the studio. She must sing in a studio. She sings to sings. She dares to studio.
Sing in the studio. She dares to sing in the studio.
She dares to sing in the studio. She dared to sing in the studio. She dared to will sing. Sorry, sir.
She will dare to sing in the studio.
She will dare to sing in the studio. She has to Sing
She
in
has
studio.
to sing in the studio.
She had to sing in the studio. She will have to sing in the studio.
Okay, very good. Okay. Okay. Now Pratibhaji. They can excuse me.
They can excuse me. They could excuse me. They may excuse me. They might excuse me. They would excuse me. They should excuse me. They must excuse me. They dare to excuse me. They dare to excuse me. They will dare to excuse me. They have to dare excuse me. They had to excuse me. They will have to excuse me.
Sanket, you can find the job.
Yes, you can find the job. You could find the job. You may find the job. You might find the job. You would find the job. You should find the job. You must find the job. You dare to find the job. You dare to find the job. You will dare to find the job. You have to find the job. You had to find the job. You will have to find the job.
Okay. Tushar, students can submit the projects.
Students can submit the project. Students could submit the project. Students may submit the project. Students might submit the project. Students would submit the project. Students should submit the project. Students must submit the project. The students dare to submit the project. Student dare to submit the project. Student will dare to submit the project. Student has to submit the project. Student had to submit the project. Student will have to submit the project.
Okay, Advait.
Yes, sir.
She can cancel the meeting.
Yes, sir. She can cancel the meeting. She could cancel the meeting. She may cancel the meeting. She might cancel the meeting. She would cancel the meeting. She should cancel the meeting.
Everybody is practicing. It is not a listening class. I told you many times. This is not a listening class.
She must cancel the meeting. She dare to cancel the meeting.
She dares to.
She
That is
dares
in he
to
group.
cancel- Yes, sir. She dares to cancel the meeting. She dare to cancel the meeting. She will dare to cancel the meeting. She has to cancel the meeting. She had to cancel the meeting. She will have to cancel the meeting.
Very good. Pooja, you can apply for the job.
You can apply for the job. You could apply for the job. You may apply for the job. You might apply for the job. You would apply for the job. You should apply for the job. You must apply for the job. You dare to apply for the job. You will dare to apply for the job. You have to apply for the job. You had to apply for the job. You will have to apply for the job.
Abhishek, you can consider my proposal.
You can consider my proposal. You could consider my proposal. You may consider my project. No?
Proposal.
You might consider my proposal. You would consider my proposal. You should consider my proposal. You must consider my proposal. You dare to consider my proposal. You dare to consider my proposal. You will dare to consider my proposal. You have to consider my proposal. You had to consider my proposal. You will have to consider my proposal.
Okay. Aditi, you can inquire here. You can inquire here.
You can inquire here. You could inquire here. You may inquire here. You might inquire here. You would inquire here. You should inquire here. You must inquire here. You dares to inquire here. You dare to inquire here. You will dare to inquire here. You has to inquire here. You had to inquire here. You will have to inquire here.
Okay, Aradhana ji, it can happen. It can happen.
Okay, it can happen. It could happen. It may happen, it might happen, it would happen, it should happen, it must happen, it dares happen, it dared to happen, it will dare to happen, it have to happen,
It has to. He group.
it has to happen, it will have to happen.
Okay. Officers can help. Officers can help you. Amruta, officers can help you.
Officers can help you. Officers could help you. Officers may help you. Officers might help you. Officers would help you. Officers should help you. Officers must help you. Officers dare to help you. Officers dare to help you. Officers will dare to help you. Officers have to help you. Officers had to help you. Officers will have to help you. Officers dare to help you. Officers dare to help you. Officers will dare to help you. Officers have to help you. Officers have to help you. Officers will have to help you.
Got it? So it was like, it is very important. Like if you know the yes/no type questions, then you can answer the questions, sir, also in positive sentence, that yes answer is a positive sentence and no answer is a negative sentence. Okay, so we are repeating again. Sanchali, repeat after me quick. Everybody is repeating after me. Okay, everybody is repeating. We are making a lot of good sentences with the with models. So just repeat after me, Sanchali. She can shoot tomorrow.
She can shoot tomorrow.
She could shoot tomorrow.
She could shoot tomorrow.
She may spend holiday here. She may spend holiday here.
Spend holiday tomorrow.
Okay, she might come tomorrow.
She might.
Okay, man.
She might come tomorrow.
Quick bola. I can spend holiday.
I can spend holiday.
I could spend holiday. I may spend holiday. Bola, I may spend holiday.
I may spend holiday. I may spend holiday.
Second, I might.
I might spend holiday. I would spend holiday. I should spend holiday. I must spend holiday.
I dare to spend holiday.
I dare to spend holiday. I dare to spend holiday. I will dare to spend holiday. I have to spend holiday. I have to spend holiday. I will have to spend holiday.
Okay, now we are making one formula of models. Okay, formula of models. So I am going to give you the formula. Okay, for I group and he group, we are making we are making the formula of these all. Okay, so if I say do you, it means there are the two groups. Do you, it means two groups. Do you and does he. Do you, it means there are the two groups. All right, just repeat after me. Can you, can we, sorry, can you, could you, may you, might you, would you, should you,
would you, should you,
must you,
do you dare to, did you dare to, do you dare to, will you dare to,
will you dare to,
will you dare to,
do you have to, did you have to, will you have to. Okay, this is a formula. Do you, it means there are the two groups. We cannot make one more formula for it. So do you, it means there are the two groups. Got it? Do you, it means there are the two groups. Okay, just repeat after me. Can you, could you, should you, can you, could you, may you, might you, would you, should you, must you, can you, could you, may you, might you, would you, should you, must you, do you dare to, did you dare to, will you dare to, do you have to, did you have to, will you have to. can you, could you, may you, might you, would you, should you, must you, do you dare to, did you dare to, will you dare to, do you have to, did you have to, will you have to. Got it? Now once again, can you, could you, may you, might you. If you want to write, you can write the formula. Can you, could you, can you, could you, may you, might you, would you, should you, must you, would you, should you, must you, then do you have to, did you have to, will you have to, then got it? Do you dare to, did you dare to, will you dare to, do you have to, did you have to, will you have to. Do it means two groups. Do you have to, does he have to, did you have to, did he have to, will you have to, will he have to. Do you dare to, does he dare to, did you dare to, did he dare to, will you dare to, will he dare to. That is the formula. Got it? Again, do you, sorry, can you, could you, may you, might you, would you, should you, must you, do you dare to, did you dare to, will you dare to, then do you have to, did you have to, will you have to. Got it?
Sir,
Do you have to, did you have to, will you have to. Huh?
Sir,
Yes, please.
Sir, can we take the screenshot of this?
Yes, please, you can, no problem. Okay,
Okay,
once
sir.
again, do you, okay, can you, could you, may you, might you. See, I'm going to tell you more 3 times. After that, you are going to make the questions with the help of this formula. I'm not going to make the questions. I'm going to answer you. You are making the questions and I'm going to answer you. So please repeat after me. It is not a listening class. I always tell my students, it is not a listening class. It is a speaking class. Okay? If we buy any new bicycle, and if our brother is teaching us the new bicycle, what we do? Teach me, but I want the bicycle in my hand. Understand? We do not want to give the bicycle to our brother.
If we talk about
Understand? The same way, if you just listen to me, it means your bike is not with you. Understand? So yes, Sanket Swami.
Sir, when we talk about one particular group of people, then
then I group is there.
Then I group.
Yeah, group students. Like students can students see. Can students, could students, may students, might students, would students, should students, must students, do students dare to, did students dare to, will students dare to, do students have to, did students have to, will students have to.
And sir, when we talk about some particular space, then
space, it means what? Like
means this is school. Then
school is one, you know.
Yeah,
school is one.
But
then
when it comes, yeah, he group, yeah, in I group.
One it means he group. School is in he group and schools is in I group.
I group, yeah.
Class is in he group and classes is in I group. Lecture is in he group and lectures is in I group. Got it?
Yes, sir. Got it.
Okay, just repeat after me the formula. Can you, could you?
Can you,
could you? No, mute yourself. Everybody mute yourself. Can you, could you? May you, might you? Would you, should you, must you? You have to remember the series also. Series of this all formula. Series also very important, because if you recite it with the series, you know, then it will be easily remembered. Understand? And if you forget the series, then you will not get remember it early. Understand? So you have to recite it in the series. All right, just repeat after me. Can you, could you, may you, might you, would you, should you, must you, do you dare to, did you dare to, will you dare to, do you have to, did you have to, will you have to. 13. These are 13. Total, these are 13. All right. Now Amruta is going to answer me. and everybody is going to answer me. Amruta is going to answer me in unmute status, and everybody is going to answer me in mute status. Are you ready for it?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
start. Okay. Can you? Okay, Amruta, can you sing a song?
Yes, I can sing a song.
No. No, I cannot sing a song. You are answering no also. Yes,
Okay.
also, and no also. Okay. Can you
Okay.
sing a song?
Yes, I can sing a song. No, I cannot sing a song.
Could you sing a song?
Yes, I could sing a song. No, I could not sing a song.
May you sing a song?
Yes, I may sing a song. No, I might not sing a song.
I may not. I think you should ask me questions. That is important, right? Okay. Ask me the questions. Can you sing a song?
Can you sing a song?
Yes, I can sing a song. No, I cannot sing a song. Can
May
you?
you-
Could you? Could you?
Okay.
Could you?
Could you drive a bicycle?
No, one sentence, one verb in all models.
Okay. Could you sing a song?
Yes, I could sing a song. No, I could not sing a song.
May you sing a song?
Yes, I may sing a song. No, I may not sing a song.
Might you sing a song?
Yes, I might sing a song. No, I might not sing a song.
Would you sing a song?
Yes, I would sing a song. No, I would not sing a song.
Should you sing a song?
Yes, I should sing a song. No, I should not sing a song.
Must you sing a song?
Yes, I must sing a song. No, I must not sing a song. Do you have to? Do you dare to? Sorry. Do you dare to? Do you dare to?
Do you dare to sing a song?
Did you dare to?
Did you dare?
Just keep asking questions. Keep asking questions.
Did you dare to sing a song?
Will you? Will you dare to?
Will you dare to sing a song?
Do you have to?
Have you?
Do you have to?
You sung a song?
Do you have to? That's.
Do you have to sing a song?
Did you?
Did you sing a song?
Did you have to sing a song?
Did you have to sing a song?
Will you?
Will you sing a song?
Will you have to? That is. Okay.
Will you have to sing a song?
Just follow the formula. Do you? Can you? Could you? May you? Might you? Would you? Should you? Must you? Would you? Should you? Must you? And then, do you dare to? Did you dare to? Will you dare to? Do you have to? Did you have to? Will you have to? Can you sing a song? Could you sing a song? May you sing a song? Might you sing a song? Would you sing a song? Should you sing a song? Must you sing a song? Do you dare to sing a song? Did you dare to sing a song? Will you dare to sing a song? Do you have to sing a song? Did you have to sing a song? Will you have to sing a song? Got it, Amruta?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, who is going to tell me? Raise your hands. Raise your hands.
Santosh.
Santosh, please.
Santosh.
Santosh.
Yes.
Do you?
Can I help you?
Yeah. Can you? Can I help you? Okay. Start.
Can I help you?
No, I will
Sir,
not. I'm
question
not going
only.
to answer you. I am not going to answer you. Just questions.
Okay. Can I help you? Could I help you? May I help you? Might I help you? Would I help you? Should I help you? Must I help you? Do I dare to? Do I dare to? Do I dare to? Do I will dare to?
Do I dare to help you?
Okay. Do I dare to help you? Do I dare to help you? Do I will dare
Do I dare to help you? Did I dare to help you? Will I dare to help you? Do I have to help you? Did I have to help you? Will I have to help you? Okay, again.
Okay.
Start again. Can I help you? Can I help you? Start again.
Can I help you? Could I help you? May I help you? Might I help you? Would I help you? Should I help you? Must I help you? Do I dare to help you? Did I dare to help you? Will I dare to help you? Do I have to help you? Did I have to?
Had not. Did I have to? Did के साथ फर्स्ट फॉर्म आता है भाई.
Okay. Did I have to help you? Will I have to help you?
Very good. Good job. Ashwini. Okay. You can select your own verb.
Can I swim in?
सर यहाँ पे तो हैड है सर, तो वे हैव क्यों आएगा वहाँ पे?
No, that is in question. I told you this is a simple past tense, you know. Simple past tense मध्ये काय होतं, did plus have येतं ना.
have येतं.
हाँ. Okay, हाँ, start Ashwini.
Can I swim in river? Could I swim in river? May I swim in river? Might I swim in river? Would I swim in river? Should I swim in river? Must I swim in river? Do I dare to swim in river? Did I dare to swim in river? Will I dare to swim in river?
Do I have to?
Do I have to swim in river? Did I have to swim in river? Will I have to swim in river?
Good job. Now practice it in minimum 50 verbs. Then it will be okay for you all. Understand? Yeah. Anuradha ji, quick.
Can I watching movie? Could I watching movie? May
Watch.
I watch? Sorry. May I watch movie? Might I watch movie? Would I watch movie? Should I watch movie? Must I watch movie? I do.
Do I dare to? Do I
dare to watch movie? Did I dare to watch movie? Will I dare to watch movie? Do I have to watch movie? Did I have to watch movie? Will I have to watch movie?
Very good. Good job. Pooja ji.
Can I cook a food? Could I cook food? May I cook food? Might I cook food? Would I cook food? Should I cook food? Must I cook food?
Raise your hands, everybody. Others also raise your hands.
Do dare to cook food? Did dare to cook food? Will dare to cook food?
Will I dare to? Will I dare to cook food?
Will I dare to cook food? Do I have to cook food?
Do I have to?
Do I have to cook food? Did I had to cook food?
Have, not had. Did I have to cook food?
Did I have to cook food? Will I have to cook food?
Correct. Very good. Kajal.
Can you go there? Would you go there? May you go there? Might you go there? Would you go there? Should you go there? Must you go there? Do you dare to go there? Did you dare to go there? Will you dare to go there? Will you have to go there? Do you have to go there? Did you have to go there? Will you have to go there?
Very good. Good job. Sanket Swami, quick.
Yes. Can I talk with her? Could I talk with her? May I talk with her? Might I talk with her? Would I talk with her? Should I talk with her? Must I talk with her? Do I dare to talk with her? Did I dare to talk with her? Will I dare to talk with her?
Do I have to?
Do I have to talk with her? Did I have to talk with her? Will I have to talk with her?
Very good. Abhishek, quick. Abhishek. Okay. Aishwarya, please.
Can you?
Okay. Yes, Abhishek. Go ahead, Abhishek.
Can you teach English? Would you teach English? May you teach English? Might you teach? Would you teach English? Should you English? Must teach English? Do I dare to teach English? Do I dare to teach English? Did I have?
Okay, very good. Good job. Aishwarya.
Can I go to picnic? Could I go to picnic? May I go to picnic? Might I go to picnic? Would I go to picnic? Should I go to picnic? Must I go to picnic? Do I dare to go to picnic? Did I dare to go to picnic? Will I dare to go to picnic? Do I have to go to picnic? Did I have to go to picnic? Will I have to go to picnic?
Very good. Good job. Next, Aditi.
Can I run a race? Could I run a race? May I run a race? Might I run a race?
Would I run a race? Should I run a race? Must I run a race? Do I dare to run a race? Did I dare to run a race? Will I dare to run a race? Do I dare to run a race? Did I dare to run a race? Will I have to run a race?
Very good. Good job. Next. Yeah, Tushar.
Can you write a letter? Could you write a letter? May you write a letter? Might you write a letter? Would you write a letter? Should you write a letter? Must you write a letter? Do you dare to write a letter? Did you dare to write a letter? Will you dare to write a letter? Do you have to write a letter? Did you have to write a letter? Will you have to write a letter?
Okay, Pratibha ji, please. Pratibha ji. Start.
भासते पिठलेली भरूनच पाणी घालते म्हणजे गोळे नाही.
Okay, start.
The match. Could they win the match? May they win the match? Might they win the match? Would they win the match? Should they win the match? Must they win the match? Do they dare to win the match? Did they dare to win the match? Will they dare to win the match? Do they have to win the match? Did they have to win the match? Will they have to win the match?
Good job. Good job. Nice. Good. Advait, please. Advait.
Yes, sir. Can you go to office? Could you go to office? May you go to office? Might you go to office? Would you go to office? Should you go to office? Must you go to office? I dare to go.
Do you dare to go to office?
Yes, sir. Sorry. Do you dare to go to office? Do you dare to go to office?
Did you dare to?
Yes, sir. Did you
Dare to go to office.
did you dare to go to office? Did you will go to office?
Will you dare to? Will you dare to go to office?
Will you dare to go to office?
Do you have to go to office?
Do you have to go to office? Will you have?
Did you have to? Did you have to? Did you have to?
Yes, sir. Did you have to go to office? Will you have to go to office?
Very good. Good job. Good job. Now Sanchali Patel. Can you start?
Can you play cricket? Would you play cricket? May you play cricket? Might you play cricket? Would you play cricket? Should you play cricket? Must you play cricket?
Do you dare to? Do you dare to?
Sorry, do you dare to play cricket? Did you dare to play cricket? Would you dare to play cricket? Do you have to?
Do you have to?
Sorry, do you have to play cricket?
Did you have to play cricket?
Did you have to play cricket?
Will you have to play cricket?
Will you have to play cricket?
Got it, everybody? Got it, everybody? Now get the screenshot of this. Get the screenshot of this.
Yes,
Get the screenshot of this. All right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, get the screenshot, everybody.
Yes, sir.
All right. So in this way, today we talked about all the models, but now we can talk about the WH questions in models. WH questions in models. So you just need to add what? Okay. What can you teach? What could you teach? What may you teach? What might you teach? What should you teach? What would you teach? What should you teach? What must you teach? What do you have to teach? What do you dare to teach? What did you dare to teach? What will you dare to teach? What do you have to teach? What did you have to teach? What will you have to teach? If you know yes no type question, then you can easily make WH questions. Okay, where can you teach? Where could you teach? Where may you teach? Where might you teach? Where would you teach? Where should you teach? Where must you teach? Where do you dare to teach? Where did you dare to teach? Where will you dare to teach? Where do you have to teach? Where did you have to teach? Where will you have to teach? Understand? So in this way, you can make a lot of WH questions. So who is going to tell me the WH questions? only I can give the chance only a few students. Who is going to make the
Santosh.
Santosh, Ashwini, who is going to make the, okay, Santosh, please. But correct, Santosh, do not make a mistake.
Okay, sir. सर कैन पासून सुरुवात करून कैन कुड में.
How can I help you? Start. How can I help you?
How can I help you? How could I help you? How may I help you? How might I help you? How would I help you? How should I help you? How must I help you? How
do I dare to help you?
How do I dare? How do I dare to help you? How did I dare to help you? How will I dare to help you? How do I have to help you? How did I have to help you? How will I have to help you?
Correct. Very good. Good job. Good job. Next.
Answer, Ashwini.
Yeah, Ashwini has start.
Where can I speak in English? Where could I speak in English? Where may I speak in English? Where might I speak in English? Where would I speak in English? Where should I speak in English? Where must I speak in English? Where do I dare to speak in English? Where did I dare to speak in English? Where will I dare to speak in English? Where I have to speak in
Where
English?
do I have to? Where do I have to?
Where do I have to speak in English? Where did I have to speak in English? Where will I have to speak in English?
Very good. Good job. Kajal. Last. It is going to be a last. Kajal.
What you can do for me?
What can you do for me? What can you do for me?
What can you do for me? What could you do for me? What may you do for me? What might you do for me? What should you do for me? What would you do for me? What must you do for me? What do you dare to do for me? What did you dare to do for me? What will you dare to do for me? What
do you have to do?
What do you have to what do you have to do for me? What did you have to do for me? What will you have to do for me?
Very good. Good job. All right. So in this way, we talked about a lot of uses of models. We can use it in positive sentences also, all the models. We can use it in negative sentences also. You can use it in SNO type questions and WH questions. All right. Are you enjoying?
Yes, sir.
Are you
Yes,
cheerful?
sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Are you excited?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
This way we completed all our